Well, the Garrett saved the day. On one of the first logs that I cut this morning, it showed up that there was some metal in the very butt end of it. So I took the axe and I was chopping away at it with the little hatchet, and apparently I removed it because after I was cutting away with the hatchet, the old Garrett didn't show any more metal, but it does definitely show up metal within about 3, 4, 5 inches. So it saved the day. Thank you, Garrett.
Yeah, that one's too high.
Husqvarna 450. Thing works like a charm. Thank you, Husqvarna.